नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपका दोस्त यज्ञ शर्मा और आप देख रहे हैं यूनाइट पब्लिकेशन गाइड ए मेंटर टू ऑल रिसर्च स्कॉलर। तो आज जो हम लोग सीरीज लेके आए हैं दैट इज़ द सीरीज नंबर 7 इन विच वी विल टॉक अबाउट द अनपेड यूजीसी केयर ग्रुप 1 लिस्ट जनरल राइट फ्रॉम द रिसर्च एरिया ऑफ द फिजिक्स राइट। सो इस सीरीज में आज जो हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं ये सीरीज नंबर 7 है हमारा, और इसमें हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं वो कौन से नॉन पेड या फिर अनपेड जर्नल्स हैं जो कि फिजिक्स डोमेन से आते हैं और उनमें आप अपना पेपर जो है उसको आप डाल सकते हैं, उसमें आप अपना पेपर को पब्लिश करा सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं कि हमारा जो कौन सा सीरीज नंबर जो 7 है उसमें हम किस जर्नल्स को लेके बात करेंगे। तो गाइस, मैंने अपने इस वीडियो में केवल टॉप 9 जो ऐसे जर्नल्स हैं मैंने उनको फिजिक्स डोमेन से अपने 20 वीडियो में कवर किया है जो कि अनपेड जर्नल्स हैं, और दोज हु आर जस्ट बिलोंग टू रिसर्च एरिया, दोज हु आर बिलोंग टू फिजिक्स रिसर्च एरिया, they can submit their paper to this journal. So let's start the video, but before starting this video I am just requesting to each and every one of you, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos, upcoming things like I will be discussing over the another research area like the SCI scope of index journal. I will be the discussion about the SCI, the scope of the unpaid journal, right? So here I am just talking about the UGC care list group 1 journals list. So this is the series number 7, right? So let's start the video. Yeah, number 1. So in my top 9 list, the number 1 journal is that Journal of Geophysics. So the title of the journal is Journal of Geophysics. Yeah, if you get the ISSN number of that journal, that is 02571412. Yeah, going to the next one. So the domain of this journal is actually this journal can consider all the manuscript, all the paper, right, from the earth and the planetary science, right? And you can, if you are from the physics domain and if you are doing any research here, if you are doing any if you are preparing any domain, if you are preparing any, and if you are preparing any your paper, your article, your research article, your review article, then you can submit your paper, your article to this journal. So actually the most important thing is that this journal does not charge any article publication charge and the subscription is nil, right? So here is the link of that particular journal, right? So I have just already explained all the thing, either the journal name, either the ISSN number, either the domain, either the publisher or the link, right? So those who have not visited to my earlier video, they can watch my earlier video. They have the idea, they can have the idea, right, that how can I go to the publisher or the journal link, then can verify the thing that journal is genuine or not, and how to check the APC and subscription charge. So this is all about the number 1 journal in my list, right? Coming to the next one, yeah, number 2. So in my number 2 journal, so in my top 9 list, right? So number 2 journal is the physics education, right? So title is the physics education, and if you will go through the ISSN number, that is 0976705953. And we will talk about the publisher, we will talk about the domain of this journal, the physics and astronomy. Means if you are from the physics and astronomy, if you are a scholar of the astronomy, and if your article and your review article, your research article is belong to the any covering area from the physics background, from the astronomy background, you can submit your paper to this journal, and there is no need to pay any APC charge, any article publication charge to this journal. It's really very free of cost, right? You does not pay to any charge of this journal, right? And if we will talk about the publisher of this journal, the Indian Association of Physics Teachers, right? So the publisher is very good, right? So here the next thing is the link, right? so I will not go through the link, right, because I have already covered all the things in my last 6 series, that how we can identify, how we can go to the link, how we can go to the link and verify the thing. So those who are beginner to this video, they can watch out my earlier videos to go to the great information, to get the great information about the things, right. So I'm just explaining, I'm just covering the unpaid journal of the particular research area or the particular domain, right. So I'm just coming to the next one. Yeah, third one. तो नंबर 3 लिस्ट पे जो आता है मेरी टॉप 9 लिस्ट में, उस जर्नल का नाम है रोमेनियम जर्नल ऑफ बायोफिजिक्स, राइट. इसका मैं ISFN की बात करूं तो 1220515X इज द ISFN नंबर ऑफ दिस जर्नल. यदि मैं डोमेन की बात करूं तो बायोकेमिस्ट्री, जेनेटिक्स एंड द मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी, या फिर इन सब के यदि कोई भी डोमेन आपसे मैच कर रहा है आपके आर्टिकल से, तो ये वो पेपर एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. पब्लिशर की यदि बात करूं तो रोमेनियन सोसाइटी ऑफ द प्योर एंड अप्लाइड बायोफिजिक्स इसका पब्लिशर है. लिंक मैंने यहाँ पे दे रखा है. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन, या फोर्थ वन, जो फोर्थ लिस्ट में मेरी पे आता है, जो फोर्थ लिस्ट में मेरी जर्नल की लिस्ट में जो आता है, दैट इज द बल्गेरियन जर्नल ऑफ फिजिक्स. यदि मैं ISFN नंबर की बात करूं तो 13100157, and the domain of that particular journal is the physics and the astronomy. Yadi if you are from the biophysics or the physics or the astronomy, and if you are doing any research to the optical biosensor, optical sensor, optical thing, then you can submit your article to this journal. This journal does not demand any APC charge, any subscription charge to you, to your article, right. So it is just totally free of cost journal, right. So you can prefer this journal from the best of mind. You can prefer this journal for your article, for your research article, your review article, right. Yeah, so the publisher of this journal is the Heroine Press Limited, right. Okay, the next one is, here is the link of that particular journal. Yeah, I'm coming to the next one, please. Yeah, so this is the fifth journal of my list, that is the Journal of Nonlinear Analysis and the Optimization Theory and Application, right. So the ISFN number of this particular journal is 19069685, and the domain of this area, the domain of this journal is the physics of and astronomy. So the domain of this particular journal is the physics and astronomy, and all the means of here over here is that if you are from the physics background, if you are from the astronomy background, it means if you have any article which having some scope to be published in the physics area, to be published in the astronomy field, then you can prefer this journal to the publication or the submission of your article to this journal, right. So here is the publisher of this journal, that is the Department of Mathematics and Narrationum University, right. So coming to the next thing, yeah, here is the link of that particular journal. I will not go through this journal link, right. So coming to the next thing, next journal, yeah, number 6. सो नंबर 6 लिस्ट पर जो मेरे पास जर्नल जो आता है मेरी टॉप 9 लिस्ट में, दैट इज द जर्नल ऑफ राजस्थान एकेडमी एंड फिजिकल साइंस, एंड हियर इज द ISFN नंबर ऑफ दिस पार्टिकुलर जर्नल, दैट इज 09726306. So here we will talk about the domain of that particular journal. Again, this journal will cover the all manuscript, the all paper which is coming from the physics background and the astronomy background. So these were the similar thing, means physics actually the domain. Physics is an research area, right, and the domain is the astronomy, right. So astronomy is come under the physics, right. If we are correlate these two things, these two domain and the research area, you will get and you can get the broad research area, right. So here we will talk about the publisher of this particular journal, Rajasthan Academy of Physical Science, right. So here is the link of that particular journal. As I've already told you that I have also covered my last series, all the link of the particular journal. You can go through that journal. If you have any query, any information, you can comment me in my comment section. Like whatever you have the queries, you can comment me. You can tag me in my comment section that what you would like to ask to me, right? If you have any query regarding publication, regarding submission, regarding any thesis, yeah, any research paper, any review paper, you can ask to me. So I have already mentioned my website, I have already mentioned my number, I have already mentioned my email ID. You can contact to me by any convenient method by which you can contact to me. So here we just go for the next journal. Yeah, number 6, number 7. So the number 7 लिस्ट पे जो मेरे पे जर्नल आता है, that is the Journal of Scientific Research, right? So the ISSN number of that particular journal. So here is the ISSN number of this journal is 20700237, right? And the domain is the domain of this journal is physics, astronomy, chemistry and mathematics. So if you are from the physics background, if you are from the astronomy, if you are from the chemistry background, if you are from the mathematics, they can also accept all the paper of the author which are coming from the research area physics, astronomy, chemistry and the mathematics. So I just would like to congratulate to all and each one, every one of you. So here is the publisher of this particular journal, that is the Faculty Science and Rajiv. So here is the publisher of that journal, this journal, right? That is the Faculty of Science and Rajiv Sai University. So here is the link of that particular journal. We will not discuss about this link, right? Yeah, coming to the next one, that is the number 8. So 8th लिस्ट पर जो मेरे पास जर्नल आता है, that is the nucleus, right? And the everyone is know about the nucleus, because the nucleus means it is just denote to the a organelle to the cell, right? But it does not mean the organelle of the cells, right? Because nucleus is coming also from the physics background also, right? So I will discuss about the ISSN number of this particular journal, that is 00295698, right? So here is the domain of that particular journal, that is physics and astronomy. Here is also, so I have just also covered all the journal which are coming from the physics and astronomy research area. So here actually what happening in UGC care listed group 1 list journal. Actually what happening, if we will talk about the UGC care group 1 list, right? So we have the limited number of journals, right? We cannot give you the proper option to you, right? Means if we have 2 list of the journal, then we will provide you the only 2 list of the journal, right? And if we have the proper requirement, like I would go for the impact factor as well, go for the specific research area, specific domain, specific indexing, and it will be non-paid or the paid thing. So it is too difficult to be find out the things as in UGC care listed journal. If someone is going to be search on the UGC care website, so I am just requesting, I am just suggesting to all my viewer, to all my subscriber, that if you are looking for any UGC care listed journal, then you have to be keep in mind, you have to be keep your mind makeup that there will be a limited journal, and you have to be select, you have to be compromised actually, either with respect to the impact factor, with respect to the paid or the non-paid journal, with respect to the indexing, or with respect to the research area. Because basically what happened, if we will talk about the multidisciplinary subject journal of this particular indexing, I am talking about the UGC care listed journal. So you will get the many journals which are coming from the multidisciplinary subject. So you have to be compromised, either you cannot be go for the specific domain or specific research area, right? You can go for the multidisciplinary subject journal, right? So there will be chances to be accepted your article, your paper, right, to that journal, right. ओके तो इसके लिए मैं एक प्रॉपर एक अलग वीडियो बनाऊंगा जिसमें मैं आपको बताऊंगा यूजीसी के पास क्यों लिमिटेड जर्नल्स हैं या फिर यूजीसी के पास मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी सब्जेक्ट के जर्नल्स ज़्यादा क्यों हैं। तो चलिए बात करते हैं, इस वीडियो को ही आगे बढ़ाते हैं। तो पब्लिशर का यदि मैं बात करूं इस जर्नल का, दैट इज पाकिस्तान इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ न्यूक्लियर साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी। हियर इज द लिंक ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर। सो गाइस ये थी मेरी सीरीज नंबर 7 जिसमें मैंने फिजिक्स डोमेन के जितने भी मेरे रिसर्च स्कॉलर हैं, जितने भी मेरे ऑथर्स हैं, उनके लिए मैं अनपेड जर्नल का लिस्ट लेके आया था। तो कैसी लगी आपको मेरी ये वीडियो, प्लीज़ जाके मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में जाके मुझे बता दीजिए। और यदि किसी का कोई भी रिक्वायरमेंट है कि सर हमें इस तरीके की वीडियोस चाहिए या हमें एफसीआई या स्कोपस इंडेक्स जर्नल की वीडियोस चाहिए, तो मुझे आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दीजिए, क्योंकि अभी मैं बिगनर हूँ एंड आई जस्ट वांट दैट you should and you have to be motivate to me, right, so that I can motivate from your comments, come from your subscriber, from your viewers, right, so that I can be prepare the all the things, like whether it is from the manuscript design, whether it's from the methodology, whether it is from the means anything like which is related to the any research. So thanks a lot and get again time.